Hello everybody, you are welcome to this channel. I am Atanu Betal, and in this video we discuss about an interesting and important topic. It is explanation for the decrease in bond angle in the hydrides of group 16 and 15, means same group. For the same group hydrides, for group 16 element oxygen, sulfur, selenium and tellurium, the hydrides are H2O H2S, H2S and H2T. The bond angles are decreases for the same group hydrides, and for the group 15 hydrides the bond angle is 107 degree for the ammonia, and for PH3 phosphine arsine the bond angle decreases from 107 degree to 93.3 degree, 91.8 degree and 91.3 degree. So this is the observation for group 16 and group 15 elements, the decrease in bond angle for the hydrides. So for this decrease we have some explanation why this decrease occurring for the same group hydrides, and we discuss this topic that why for same group hydrides the bond angle decreases. One point you have to note that down the group of the periodic table, the size of atom increases and electronegativity decreases. Down the group, these are elements down the group elements: oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium. So down the group size of atom increases and the electronegativity of the element decreases, and for this reason the bond pairs will means not repel each other more tightly, because the size of atom increases, the bond pair become far apart. Okay, bond pair will make a distance from the central atom. The distance of the bond pair and central atom increases because size of atom increases and electronegativity decreases. So for this reason, the size of atom increase and electronegativity decrease, the bond pair lies in more distance from central atom. So due to the means increase of size for the down the group element and decrease of electronegativity, the bond pairs, means the hydrogen and sulfur bond or hydrogen selenium bond pair lies in more distance from the central atom, and due to the increase of distance between the central atom and the bond pairs, what happens, bond pairs cannot repel each other bond pairs cannot repel each other in the down the group, because the bond pairs are keeping a distance from the central atom. Bond pairs keeping a distance from the central atom, so bond pairs cannot repel each other because of the distance of bond pair and central atom. So bond pair cannot repel each other. So for this reason, the uh, bond pair orbital come close. Bond pair orbitals come close together. So bond pair orbitals come close together because down the group the size of atom increases, electronegativity decreases, and bond pair lies more distance from the central atom, and for this reason the bond pair orbital come close together, and for this reason the bond angle of the down the group hydrides decreases. So this is the reason why in down the group for group 15 or group 16 hydrides the bond angles are decreased. So this is the explanation. I think you understand this explanation and like this topic. If you have any question regarding these discussions, then you can ask this question to the comment section. I certainly answer your question, and this is the discussion. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, then give a like to this video, and if you want to get means continue this type of video, then you can subscribe this video.